Hello friends, welcome to Genius Books. I am Vinod Karkur, ISMO. In this video, I am continuing my SBI PO preliminary exams test series. In previous two tests, we have seen quantitative aptitude section, numerical ability and approximation problems. Let me continue in this video. I am taking this 8th problem. These are all from previous year question papers. Okay, here is the 8th problem. Before that, please subscribe to my channel, and if you want more information, more intense coaching, please download my app Genius Book Classes All Exams. This is available freely in Google Store, and in this app you have so many free study material. You can register for my different coaching classes, not only SBI PO, IBPS PO, and even for IAS and so many other exams, competitive exams. Now let me continue from this problem 8. Okay, in my previous videos I have covered 7 problems. In exam you will be having hardly 34 seconds for each problem. Okay, SBI PO preliminary exam, it contains 30 questions from English, 35 from quantitative aptitude, 35 from reasoning. So after this quantitative aptitude, I am going to start reasoning section also simultaneously, even English also. So you will be getting in the next 1.5 months, I am covering all these sections, so please keep watching my videos. Okay, subscribe to my channel, make your friends also subscribe, and download this app. It is available freely in Google Store. In this app you can have more intense coaching. Okay, now approximation, I have told you what to do. This is 34.02, so 02 you can ignore because it is not near to 1. Okay, so approximation is 34. Percent means divided by 100. So 100 will come in the denominator. Half means multiplication. So again 0.09 is negligible, so take only 550. Again divided by question mark, this is equal, again 0.05 is negligible, so retain only 594, divided by, this is square root of, see 0.03 is negligible, so you can take only 2916. So this is approximation. First step is done. Second step is what? Apply board mass. Board mass, though B is not there, of we have done it. Then multiplication, division and then multiplication. Okay, this is a division. This you can write as 34 by 100 into 550 divided by this question mark. You have to find out what that question mark is. Okay, this equals 594 divided by square root of 2916. Yeah. Next, what is the square root of 2916? Whenever you come across such a big number, if it is square root of say 25, then square root will be 5. If it is 100, then square root will be 10. But it is 2916. It's a quite big number. So instead of going for long method, I am teaching you shortcut method. Okay. Just put this number into 2 groups, and then 29, which is the nearest square number to 29? 25, right? 5 square is 25. 6 square is 36. So 36 is far away from 29. 25 is nearer. So take 5. What about this 6? When you get 6 in the units place, when you multiply which two digits you are getting 6. Either it is which two numbers? 4 into 4. So you are getting 6 in units place. So take the 6. Not the 6, you have to take 4. Because you are taking square root. So 54 is the square root of 2916. That means if you multiply 54 2 times, you are getting this 2196. So square root of 2916 is 54. You can write it as 594. See, in exam you have to do it very fast, okay? So now you got this square root of 2916 is 54. This side you got 550. Question mark, let it be. Okay. Now this 594 is divisible by 11. What are the numbers? 11, which all numbers 11 will divide? For that you have seen, it sees odd numbers, odd number places digits when you add that, and even numbers digit. When you add those numbers, the sum what you are getting, the difference of sum should be 0 or equal to 9. Then only that entire number is divisible by 11. See, 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 again, here it is 0, nothing is there, so 9 plus 9. So this is 9 minus 9 or 9 plus 9, whatever you are getting, 0. So in this case, the entire number is also divisible by 11. So here 550 is there, 11 5s are 55. Then 11 5s are 55, 4 is the remainder, then 44. Again this is 54. This 54 and this 54, they get cancelled, giving you 1. So question mark you bring this side. I am bringing this question mark to RHS. Then this side I am left with 34 divided by 5 is there, 100. So 5 1 0, 5 20. So this 1 5, it is not just 5, it is 50. So this will be 50 into 2 is 100. So then 2, you can divide 34. You are getting, finally you are getting 17. 17 is the answer here. Hope you understood. Only difficult part in this is finding square root of 2916. Okay, now let us move on to next problem. Again, first step is approximation. This is question mark. This 0.05 is negligible, so retain only 10. Again 0.04 is negligible, retain 12. This is again 0.12 is negligible, you can percent means divided by 100. The denominator you should take 100. Off means into. Again 0.28 you can neglect. Why you can neglect? You please watch my previous videos. Okay, whoever is watching first time this video, please for them watch my previous videos. You will get why we are doing this. Okay, now question mark. Again divide by 10 into 12 equals, if possible you can simplify here only. This and this get cancelled. 2 into 132 will be 264. Okay, now 12 ones are, and then this is 12 twos are 24, again 12 twos are 24. It's 22. 10 is here, 22 is here. What will be your question mark? Question mark equals 10, you can send it to RHS. So this is in LHS, it is in the denominator. When you change its side, it comes to numerator. Okay, why it is so? I need not explain all small things, right? Okay. Then 10, it will come here. 22 is also there. It is not in the denominator. Please mind it. While doing calculation, you may get confused. In exam, wherever space is there, when you do rough work, we have written 22 here. It looks like it is in the denominator, but it is not in the denominator. It is in numerator only. So it is 10 into 22. So it will be 220. So question mark is 220. This is the answer. Okay. Okay. Next problem. Okay. Question mark divided by 100 because it is question mark percentage off. Off is into. You can neglect this point 0.2, so it is 18 only. This equals, see this entire, all these terms are under root only. This, let me write it like this, okay. 24.01, 01 you can neglect, so it is 24 square plus 0.21 you can neglect. This is all approximation. Then square plus 0.01 you can neglect. 60% is there, so divided by 100. Off is there, off means into. Again 0.17 you can neglect. So this will be 660. This is all under square root only. This is very simple. You can, this is again 24 square is what? 25 square 625. I told you, I asked you, again I am asking you, please memorize all the squares from 1 to 30. Okay, put that table on your wall where you study, or on your table, or write in notebook and keep looking into those tables regularly so that you will become perfect. It's called muscle memory. Should see what is 24 square. 24 square, you should be able to come up immediately with answer. Okay, so 24 square is what? 576. 18 square is what? 324. Now you have to simplify this. 1 0 1 0 I can cancel this goes out. What is 6 into 66? Simple multiplication. 6 6 are 36, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 396. Okay, add all these things. Very simple. This is 76 plus 24 is what? 100. 196. Okay, 96 will come here and 196. 500 is there. 500 plus 100 600 plus 3 900 plus 3 1200. Wow. Fine. Square root of this. We have to find out this also. Again, see in previous case what we have done. Hope you remember this step here. Where it went. Okay. Square root of 2916. Now we have to find square root of 1296. Let me write that also here so that you compare these two, you will understand. How you found this square root? 2916. Which is the nearest square? 229, 25. So take 5. Square root of 25 is 5. Here 6, 4. So 54 is the square root of this 2916. Similarly, apply the same shortcut method for this also. Take first two numbers. See, whenever they give you one large number like this, you have to group, you have to split that entire number in groups of two numbers to find square root. So suppose if I ask you only 256, three numbers are there. In that case, how you will do? What you have to do? Start, add one 0. By adding 0 here, the value of this number is not going to be changed, right? So then group 0 to 50, which is the nearest square number to 1. So square root of 1 is 1. Then 6 again, it will be 6 6 are. So 16 is the square root of 256. Similarly, you have to find 2916, you found out as 54. Similarly, apply these two methods here. 1296. Now, which is the nearest square number to 12? 3 square is what? 9. 4 square is what? 16. So 16 is not near. Take 9. So square root of 9 is 3. For this, you have to take 3. For this, so you have to find out such a number by multiplying that twice. You should get 6 in the units place. For this, I have two numbers here. One is 4 into 4, another is 6 into 6. Here we have taken, for this 16 we have taken 4, but 96 is there. For that you have to take 6. Okay, that is the difference. That is why I wrote this number here, so that you can compare these two and you will understand that which way, when we have to take 4 and when we have to take 6. So this square root of 1296 will be 36. You multiply 36 by 36 only, you will get 1296. This is a shortcut. You won't get this shortcut without anywhere. In your books they won't give. Okay, fine. This is aha moment. You can say, wow, you know something. Okay, I taught you one simple shortcut. So if you say wow, say wow. Okay. Now this come to left hand side. LHS. 100 is there, 18 is there, 36 is C. I can 18 1 the 18 2 the. 100 is here. Okay, then 2 is this side. Sorry, I have to, it's not at complete. Complete, no, it's 36. I don't know what, okay. Now let me write it completely so that you will understand. Question mark will be 36 is there into 100 divided by 18. So you are getting question mark. I don't know why I am getting this. You have to write this as 180, no? 10 is there. It's not just. Okay. Now this and this gets cancelled. 36, 18 1 the, 18 2 the. This will be 20. Yeah, 20 is the answer. Okay. So you have to be very careful. Don't get mixed up while calculating the sum. Fine. Now let us move on to the next problem. I think, okay, I will solve one more in this test. And again, approximation 0.003 is negligible. Take 16 into 0.998. You cannot neglect this because it is almost equal to 1. So add this 1 to this 29. It will become 30. Minus this 0.002 is negligible. So take only 40. This is not minus, this is into this one. Okay. Into 9. Again this 0.009 is negligible. So you can take 9. So it is a very simple problem. Straight away 16 3s are 48 minus 9 4s are 36. So 48 minus 36 will be 400 minus 300 is 100. 80 minus 60 is 20. So this is the answer. Okay, now let us move on to the next problem. Next problem, I'll take it up in. You try to solve this problem, okay? This is exercise for you. I'll take this in test 4. Immediately I'll upload that after solving this, okay? See you in my next video with test 4. Till then, you please solve this problem, come out with answer. Okay, this is exercise for you. Bye, see you in my next video. Thank you.